Hello everyone, this is a short presentation about our A-level photography course that we run in Lewes. Start by showing you the staff. We've got Joel, we've got Olivia, Joe and myself, Meg, on the right hand side. This is a picture that was taken of us in Hong Kong where we did a photography and art trip recently. The A-level photography course is very much about you, and it's about what you want to do with photography. It's about your ideas, your inspiration, your ambitions. So we've got two pictures here that really summarise the variety of approaches. We've got Freya on the right, who was working on a project to do with childhood and about nostalgia and memories. And on the left, we've got a landscape photographer, Ben Webster, who did some beautiful landscapes for his time here. The entry requirements for our A-level photography is the same as any other A-level in college. It's 5 GCSEs at grade 4 or higher, including maths and English. Here we've got a picture from Sophia's project, which was a film she made. And the film was where she recorded people watching films. So it's a really nice take on the camera looking at someone else's camera. And this is a still from her video. Here we've got two more examples. The top right picture by Megan was all about insomnia, whereas the bottom picture, it was all about urban landscapes, just to give you a real flavour of the variety of our projects. In the first year, you'll be doing AS, so all the introductory projects to do with working out how your camera works and working in the darkroom and looking at the work of others will count towards your AS grade. And in the second year, your personal investigation is your idea. It's all about what you want to do, whether you want to become a fashion photographer, a landscape photographer, or a photojournalist. You can make it happen in your personal investigation. We also run a filmmaking and photography course, but I'm not really talking about that here, but I did want to mention it. It's a full-time option which has far more filmmaking as well as photography in it. We study using electronic sketchbooks. So here's some pages from how our students tend to use the electronic sketchbooks, which is the record of the way they've been working, putting in contact sheets, putting in key decisions that they've made to help us assess their work. It's such a shame I can't show you the real photographic studio at Lewes, but here's a photograph of it. You can see we've got a full-length backdrop, got lots of different colours that you can put your models on with flash lighting, Bowen's flash lighting. And we've also got a tabletop set up with continuous LED light system. The picture below at the bottom is just one of our computer rooms. We've got several that we use and teach you in. But this is our most exciting room. I think it's the most exciting room in college. It's our dark room. It's a fabulous place to work, and you'll be working in there to do all sorts of fun things as well as more serious stuff towards your assessment. Our course is unique because we've got really inspirational teachers who love and work with a passion with their students. But most of all, our courses are fabulous because of the students that we have. A variety from all over Sussex come to study with us. We do lots of trips and visits. We like to take you to London, to Brighton, sometimes just into Lewes for a quick bit of shooting. We also do the international trips that I mentioned earlier. This year we went to Barcelona, the year before Hong Kong. Prior to that, we went to Iceland, and before that it was New York. So we do try and get you out and about where possible. Start saving now if you want to come on one of those trips. This is an exhibition that we did at Charleston last year. It was all about celebrating the emancipation of women. So we set the theme for our students of gender, and we got some fabulous pictures from students who got really into the idea of portraying what it is to be a woman today, or a man, or anywhere in between. We have got this page here, so with some fabulous examples of what students tend to do nowadays in our courses. The picture on the left is all analog, not a camera used for that. It was all done in the darkroom, someone lying on lots of sheets of photographic paper. And on the right, we've got a 100% digital picture created using photographs as a starting point, but very much rendered electronically. Here's a website that shows what we've done in lockdown. Do have a look at it because it'll give you a flavour of how lockdown, it really encouraged creativity in some of our students. Additional costs, yes, sadly, you can spend a fortune on photography. If you want to buy a drone to do pictures like this, you're more than welcome to. Otherwise, you can do it on very basic equipment. It's far more how you use it rather than what you have. After your course, you can go on to be a freelance photographer. Life in Lewes is a fabulous place to study. Our green leafy campus, very bang next door to railway station, is a great place to be. Our plans for September are hopefully to keep delivering as much as we can face to face. Thanks for listening. Bye.